Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making beef ramen stir fry. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my wok that I have preheating. And I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil in there. Probably about 6 tablespoons, 5 tablespoons. Now I have some vegetables I cut up. I have some broccoli here. I cut it in florets. It's about 2 bunches of broccoli. I'm going to get that in a skillet. I have 1 red bell pepper here. I diced up the hearty sizes. We're getting that in there. And I have 1 large onion I diced up into big pieces. We're going to get that in there. Now I'm going to bring this up to temperature, and I'm going to stir fry this for a few minutes until my vegetables turn tender. Okay, now that my vegetables are tender and I pulled them out and set them aside, I have roughly 2 pounds of ground beef I'm going to get into a break up and brown up. Now I'm going to have to drain the grease up because this here isn't lean. So I'm going to get this in here and get it browned up. Alright, now that I have my ground beef all browned up and drained, I added the vegetables back and I set it aside. I'm taking 4 packs of these beef ramen noodles. You can use any flavor you like because we're not using a seasoning packet. Don't throw that away. That'd be good for fortifying a gravy or helping a beef stock. Save those packets. I'm putting 4 packs in here. And I'm going to bring this up to a boil, separate them, and I'm going to boil them for 3 minutes. While my ramen noodles cook over here, we're going to make the sauce for on top of our stir fry. I'm going to start by putting a half a cup of low sodium soy sauce in here. Now you can use regular soy sauce if you like. I use low sodium because soy sauce is always so salty. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm also going to add in some red wine vinegar, or apple cider vinegar, I'm sorry. We're going to add in 2 tablespoons of that. And that's one of the rare occasions where you see me measuring. Let that sit in for now. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of Thai-style sweet chili sauce. Now, this is Walmart's brand. You can pick it up at Walmart or pretty much any store that sells Asian food. We're going to balance out the salts, or the sweet and the sour. And I'm also going to add in 2 teaspoons of diced up garlic, or you can use 2 cloves of garlic if you use fresh. And I doubled this recipe, guys, because I made it big enough for the size of my family. I got to store my noodles over here so they cook evenly. You could cut this in half if you have a smaller family. Now we're not going to cook this sauce. What we're going to do is we're going to dump this over top of our stir fry after we get the noodles in there. Alright, now I'm going to add my ramen noodles in here after I drained them. And I'm using some tongs. This would be the easiest way to mix this up. My heat's off, but my burner's hot. But that's fine because we need to warm that sauce through. And you just want to give that a rough stir because you're going to stir it up some more once you get your sauce in there. Let's go ahead and add that sauce in there. I'm going to stir this around, or toss it, however you want to look at it, to mix the sauce through and mix everything together. I'm going to let it sit on that burner that's off to help warm that sauce through, and then this will be ready to go. I went ahead and I garnished that with some green onion and some sesame seeds. Let me get in here and give this a try. Vegetables have a little bit of crisp, as they should with a stir fry. Taste some of these ramen noodles. It's really good. Picked up the flavor of that soy sauce, the brown sugar, that Thai chili sauce. I'll try a piece of broccoli. Broccoli's tender with a little bit of a crisp. Just the way it should be. Now you could serve some more of that Thai chili sauce over top of that soy sauce, or even some hoisin sauce. That's really delicious as a nice sweet teriyaki flavor. Alright, there you have it. Beef ramen stir fry. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.